Hey guys, I'm back, Jacob Shield. Welcome to Jacob Shield. Best channel. I got the boat painted. The boat is painted. First coat of, I think called Hunter Club Green. Looks pretty good. You can see where it got sanded extra heavy down here. I think I talked about that in the video some, I think. You're gonna watch me put the first coat of paint on here, sand it down. I'm gonna see it in the boat on the trailer, which is right here. It's not right here anymore. So the trailer's missing. I'm kidding. It's at the shop. I put trailer lights on it. I re-welded that handle on there. I also welded a trailer jack on there. My booger welds are great. Anyways, and you're gonna watch me paint it, sand it, and a little bit of boating in the actual pond with me and Caleb. I had a 6-volt battery, so I'm gonna be moving, so you can tell you just struggling. That battery probably weighed 80 pounds, and it was just like, it was pretty fun though. Flat bottom John boat. It's pretty cool. Maybe in about 2-3 weeks, it'll be out on the water. This week's gonna be a boat video. Next week's gonna be a 4-wheeler video with Josh and Caleb. My boat is still blown up. I have had zero motivation to work on it. That just, I'm like, dang, it has a crack in the block. That's pretty fun. Anyways, it might be ready. Maybe by the time this project's done, I'll start on it. My busy season for farming at farm is coming up, so I'm gonna be very busy. But so I'm gonna give video, hopefully every week, maybe other hour. Taylor's not there, so I'll be back later. Yeah, see you next time. Bye. Keep watching the video. There's definitely no resistance behind this, right? Positive. Ooh. Oh yeah. Reverse. That it? That's full throttle.
It's only a 6-volt battery. We're not gonna go very far.
We moving.
Just trying.
That's high. It's the current. We gotta go with the current. Yeah, we moving though. We moving. We're gonna get there, Caleb. Just not go in the weeds though.
Alright, ready?
Yep, you first.
Slow.
I'm holding it with the motor, Caleb. All right. You hold it.
Oh, we probably need that. Oh, there you go.
That battery.
Ain't gonna go nowhere.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm gonna cut these welds down here so I can take this off. Cause for trailer lights, I don't want to use this. Our welds a bracket on here for lights. So now that's what we're doing. I set me up a little sunshade. Doesn't look like very much, but it's better than nothing because I am sunburnt. But the way the sun's facing, I got all this space back here. I've used them for my tools. I did get Milwaukee pack out system. It is very nice. And I got $20 back on Decker. Really wish I could get a Milwaukee. So you can see what's in here. Yeah, I'm a little biased. When you're angling under, I don't wear gloves. I'll tell you why. If that gloves get caught in that wheel, hand's gone. Hand gets caught in the wheel, maybe just finger. Yeah. Or a hat. It's annoying. Use safety glasses. Brain hurt yourselves and your protection. Alright, look at cutting. I got it cut off. It's laying down there. Looks a lot better without it, I think. I don't like the little Black & Decker at all. I mean, it worked. It did the job, but like, ugh. Used to Milwaukee with that safety, so I liked it. Milwaukee's a lot bigger and heavier. That weight, you control it a lot better. Yeah. Trying to think of what's next. Probably these boards. Take them out and replace them with these. There's these I can just bend these tied. They're just held in there with one bolt. I'm gonna do that, make it straight up and down for a flat bottom boat. And kind of upset now. I gotta keep cutting. I'm not gonna do it today though. I'm gonna cut that off right here and make it flat so that the boat's bow can sit flat against it and not be hitting that angled. So, anyways, things coming together. I don't know. I like this handrail for walking on here and stuff. Let's get in the center of that so I can have it to hold on to. I don't think the boat's gonna be too wide. I'm gonna put it on here probably actually in a few minutes here. I'm not gonna take these out yet and put it on here and just see how it fits before I put those on there. Also, these are the carpet's a little bit better than these, but I'm repainting it, so I don't care. So I need to get the tongue put back on. I got bolts for that, and I must probably slide that forward. Yeah. Boat on the trailer now. Looks really bad on video, but looks pretty cool. See how much work I've already put into this thing in 45 minutes. It is an Alumacraft. There's my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 2. Now I'm trying to figure out 8 horsepower motor, 455 pounds person and motor. In gear. Trailer seems to be holding. I've never gotten on the road with it before. Said it's been on the road a few times, but I put the lights out. I definitely like that side handle. It looks pretty good. Definitely use that for storage. Might put some. I don't know. It sits on there pretty well with those blue ones. Because if you look at it, maybe I might have like a 5-6 inches extra overhang on the back. I mean, that's really not a lot. Really just need to stretch the trailer. About 2 feet overhang. I don't want to put this any far forward. I don't want to butt it up to the trailer or truck. I don't really know. I thought about putting it far forward, but I'm really no. Might not. Might stretch the tongue. Might be easier. Smarter decision too, but. I don't know, a good bit of the trailer is supported. We'll see. Should be fine. I have a little extra overhang. A lot of boats do with their engines. Should be fine. My engine. I don't know. Be about a 7 horsepower mud motor. Let's see the best way to get on deck. 2 minutes. Oh. I mean, I'm standing on her. Is this smart idea? Probably not. Best way to get off. I don't know if the way this boat's made, but it looks like the sides are bowed out a little bit. Yeah, maybe it's just the way it's made. Mud motor. Oh yeah, here's some problems. Small keyhole right there. That was a bullet hole. That's pretty cool. I know I got the drain plug inside out, but y'all tell me how to fit that in there. It's so bent up. Can't really see it on video though. It works. I'm gonna get in the shade here. Looks pretty weird out there. Once I get new tires, look better. Pretty excited. Extremely, I can't say the word, white trash or redneck. Can't figure it out yet. But I got really nice tools and things. So I can't tell. I got new trailer chains put on while I was waiting for a minute cooling off. And I'll show you what I did to the John boat. So I got a new bolt ran through. Chains on here. It's 32 inches of thing. It's pretty neat. I hope this works. It's 2-inch. Perfect. I might replace those boards, but I'm not gonna do it today. It's too hot. I'm tired. I need something to do next weekend. Tires. Survive lug. Amazon $69. I could put a 42 on here if I really wanted to. That's how much clearance I need. I'm kidding. It's like in fenders at one point, but I don't know where those are. I think they're plastic. There's like broken pieces on the sides, and I don't. If I could Google this trailer, probably not. I haven't even found a model number anywhere. The only numbers I see is on the leaf springs. Yeah. Looks so much smaller when you stand next to it without the boat on there. Put the boat on there. I can't do that. My favorite part has got to be the little great thing here, because I can walk all the way to the front. I think a jet ski was on here before, but like if I look, I can be like this time I'm gonna be scrunched up on here. But, yeah, it works pretty well. I need to figure out trailer lights. I think I'm just gonna weld something to it, just a bracket. Probably can cut 2 ends off a lawnmower blade and screw one on here. Yeah. The annoying thing is, so I put some lock nuts on here. This bolt wasn't on here, and it's too short. You see, it's not hitting that lock ring. It just bent the metal in. So here, I think what I'm gonna do, with that, let's get a long bolt. The problem is that's the longest bolt they sold. So I don't know. I think this definitely got it done. Yeah, definitely. Oh boy. Anyway, let's see what we're doing over here. Come on. Yeah, book out. Show you the list here in a second. Hello, YouTube. I am Jacob Ship, and I have a boat sitting in front of me that is in this need of a paint job. It is a 12-foot aluminum craft 1235 gun boat, rated to a 9 horsepower motor. I got it sitting on some sawhorses right now. I got set up my little shelter. I got my Milwaukee pack out here set up. I'm using a little old Black & Decker Type 5 sander to hopefully sand this away. I need safety glasses because you need safety glasses. I don't want to be in y'all's way too much. I'm gonna let y'all go a little bit. I'll check back up when I get a good bit sanded down. Goodbye. Okay, I got scraped down little bit here on the side. About it. I got mostly sanded down. My back's starting to hurt. I did get this whole ridge down here. This is set up. Got the Yeti. Got the GoPro. Shoot, yeah. I was finna work on this back valve. Come together. I'm trying to get it done up. So at least get the metal scraped today. I don't know if I get any painting done, but I only got 4 cans. That's not. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 coats, probably 2. It's probably gonna be tired. And that's my other boards on here. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Ace phone. Yes, you're done. Big reveal. Oh, didn't finish yourself. I got a little bit painted. Got a whole heck of a lot grinded down. Whole back side. Did a little bit over here. I'm saying it's starting to come together. I just painted that, so I saw this. I was like, yeah, I want to go over that again. I don't want to do it and get some dirt or whatnot. Do it over here. Need to spray that again. Y'all get to see action. It's so bright. When you first put it on, you're like, oh no. But once it dries, it'll be that green. It looks really good. I'm pretty excited. It looks good. Did I get under? Kinda. Yeah, right. I'm probably gonna do this back. I need to take my drain plug out. Let's try to do this. Come and join me under the boat, guy. Yeah. That should have been. Anyways, I think it's coming together. Sorry about the chewing. It's gonna look pretty good. I'm decided. I was like, you know, I'm painting. I just started gunning down today. Just got the trailer done and dusted. I say it's coming together very well. I put trailer chains on. That was pretty easy and fun, huh? I have no idea shit like this. I got 72 inches of chains. I need to get new tires. They're like $61 on the Amazonians. I think the trailer looks pretty good when it's done. Figure out lights. Yeah. Alright. The boat, I've grinded the whole center out. I took some steel wool. You can see it really well over here. And some water, so it's wet. And I went over it. Here, let me show y'all a little bit better. But I basically went over it. Here, I'll show you. So I went over this guy. And you can kind of see where it's kind of scraped up here a little bit. That's fine. I'm going to do a second coat anyways. I went over it with that steel wool to try and help. There's like some dimples on there when I ground this out. I kind of get off by just leaf blowing it. But it definitely made it a nice smooth finish. The front is a little, I need to redo the front very badly, which I'm going to do 2 coats, 2 to 3 coats, probably 2 over this guy. The back looks a lot better than the front. I can't tell you that's because of shade and because this one's in sunlight. But it's also the first one I did. So it's also going to be underwater most of the time. Anyways, and update on trailer. I got new tires and rims coming. They'll be here sometime next week or next. I don't know if they'll be here by the time this video goes up. Probably. And hopefully, I need to get the trailer registered as a... So, it doesn't have a VIN number. I can't find a VIN number anywhere on here. It's a homemade trailer. If you register a homemade trailer, they give you a VIN number you stamp on here. Call it a day, and you get it registered and all that. And then forgot trailer lights for its maiden voyage. Pretty sure we should weld something on back here. Yeah. I might cut this off. I might just cover it up with spray paint now. I don't know. I thought I'm probably not gonna paint it. All I have to do to paint it is, shoot, pop the boards off, cut that carpet off, cut tires off, tape up the things. I don't know. Sounds kind of easy. Not gonna replace this guy. I don't know how long it stretch out. Probably should figure that out. Next time I go paint the boat, definitely gonna have to get it on video for y'all. Also need to bend that flat. So when I weld those up, I'll probably do that. Because I'm bring it to the shop because I'm not a welder. Might be an excuse to buy one though. This trailer is rusting, so I'm kind of painting it. But surface rust, and I'm just gonna paint over it probably. I might sand some of it down. Like the easy parts. All Black & Decker angle grinder has been working well though. I will show you. Oh, I should have showed y'all how I was doing that. So I took an angle grinder with the 80 grit wheel on it and just went lightly over this. It is scratched up some spots. Definitely rigid. I'm hoping the paint will cover it up. It's probably not. You forget that guy right there. I think I'm just take a plate. I'm probably gonna have to cut the open foam in there. Just cut it open, take a plate, bend this back, just take a plate and just cover it up. Some TIG welds. Got another one here and probably do the same thing. Grind it down flat. Problem is this hole you can see from inside. That one you can't. That's foam. It's very, I want to say difficult job, but also want to say easy job. Yeah. I went and did this afternoon. I just sent it, got off work, and did it. Yeah. There we go. All right, y'all. Today we're finished painting the bottom side of the boat. I've used 1.5 cans as my half can. I'm trying to get this whole thing done. Be my first coat. And then we're go let it dry till next Tuesday. Then get paint. That comes in.
Artlist.io.
I'm watching the sunset on Tennessee Hills. I wish I could capture it, I never will. 'Cause I'm not a painter, can't
Music
stay in the
licensing
light.
reimagined.
Just sitting here sipping on dandelion wine. It's starting to rain, but I don't feel a thing. Sitting out rocking on that old porch swing. 'Cause I found me something that tastes like springtime.
Artlist.io.
Just sitting here sipping on dandelion wine. All my life I've known something.
Music licensing reimagined.
You can
Alright,
make
guys,
plans,
what's up?
but they'll change on a dime. So pour me one more glass of dandelion wine. Preachers and dreamers, they both believe in the patterns and powers we
Artlist.io.
can't quite see. You can spend your life guessing or look for the signs. Sit back and sip on
That looks pretty good.
dandelion wine. Oh, my
Music licensing reimagined.
life I've known some things you can't control.
It looks pretty.
You can make plans, but they'll change
Oh,
most
God.
times. So pour me one more glass of dandelion wine. One
Artlist.io.
more glass of dandelion wine.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's what's up. I own this and that trailer. How many people can say they own a four-wheeler, a trailer, and a boat at my age? I'm not considering my age. Dude. 22. This is pretty cool. And a shed. So I have one full can, about an eighth of that. Next Tuesday, I'll get more paint. I might have one can. That is working. It's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Took 20 minutes.